Now, I don't know how long this is going to go on for, as I can't really find much information about this, but Creative Fabrica is currently having an insane Black Friday sale. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, will depend if this is still available or not, but currently, you can get all access for what turns out to be only £3.99 per month. Now that's here in the UK. If you're from the US, this is only going to be, or work out to be, $3.99 per month. But there is a catch. It's billed yearly, which turns out to be $47, or here in the UK, £47. Now this discounted price is forever as well, so every year it would renew at $47. You get access to millions of graphics, fonts, classes and more, and you get personal, commercial and POD use of files. Now if we come over to here, we can see 1 year for $47. If we click on here, we can see what's included. You get unlimited downloads, full access to Studio. Now Studio is a whole suite of tools which Creative Fabrica are releasing, and I'm going to cover in a second as well. 145,000 plus fonts, one of the reasons why I love Creative Fabrica, because all of their amazing fonts. Over 7 million graphic assets, 210,000 cut files, 51,000 plus embroidery designs and commercial license. Now if you do want to come and check this out, there will be a link down in the description. Disclaimer, it is an affiliates link, so if you do decide to purchase, I will make a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. Now, let me just quickly cover this Studio, because this is pretty cool. This is something which Creative Fabrica have started to release. It's their whole suite of design tools. Currently, they have Creative Fabrica Studio, which is very similar to CANVA, CF Spark Vectorizer, where you can vectorize any of your images, and as we can see, we have a bunch more coming soon. Now you can actually use Studio completely for free, but there are some limitations. Now if you have that all access subscription, there are no limitations and you can use absolutely everything. Now if you want to actually see what these two tools are like, I've just currently made a video all about this, so if you want to watch that, click right here and watch this video.